This is an urgent message. You need to pay attention right now. We found a new app for your phone. It's a money cannon. All it wants to do is fire money into your wallet. This thing will pay you $3 every 30 seconds. That's $6 every minute. You can go from there. Do the math. We have a reporter out on the street with more information. Let's go to him right now. You want to make that cash? You want to make that coin? Keep watching the video. So listen, I've got this new app. It's gonna help you make money from home. You can make money from your phone. In fact, I can make money from right here in downtown Santa Monica, California. First, let me show you around a little bit. That's right, we come to you every day from Santa Monica, California, USA. If you've ever been to the state of California, hit the like button right now. Or if you've never been and you'd like to come, you come crash at my place, but you must love cats because I got this guy right here. This is my cat, Toby. You gotta like cats. Fun fact, Toby actually produces and directs all the videos you see here at Online Moneymaker. So if you got a problem with one of those videos, come talk to my cat. So you like making easy money on your phone, right? Well, that's good news because I've got a new app for you today that you can download. It's gonna help you make some easy money. It's easy money time. Actually, this is a live look-in at all the money this app is currently paying out in real time. Look at the smile on her face. She is cute. You want to know though what makes just about anybody look hot, like look really good? It's when they subscribe to Online Moneymaker. They subscribe to Online Moneymaker. They go from like a 5 to a 10 just like that. So why don't you do that now if you haven't yet? Subscribe to Online Moneymaker. By the way, here's how this app's gonna pay you, either MasterCard prepaid, so that's cash, or Amazon gift card, that's pretty cool. Or you can give it away as a donation, and Toby, my cat, says give it away to a kitty charity, why don't you? So look, this app's gonna allow you to watch short videos, and every time you do, you're gonna get paid a minimum of 50 cents and up to $3 per video. Now that's a lot, that can add up really quick. And also, for every friend you get to sign up here, make another buck, you know what I'm saying? So just go tell your friends that you make like, you know, $10,000 a month on this app and they should try it, then you're gonna get a buck right there. You can cash out every time your account reaches 10 bucks, so that's basically just over 3 videos you cash out. See that? No catch, no gimmicks or confusing point system, real cash. Hello, young lady. So it's called Ad Wallet. It's available for all devices and it's available around the globe. So yes, you can download this to whatever phone you got and make $3 per video. So let me just walk you through the sign up process real quick because there's something that you need to get right or it's gonna screw everything up. So it's your pretty basic sign up process, you know, first name, last name, zip code, email, confirm the email. You will have to verify that. Now, cell phone number. You need to put your correct cell phone number in there because they are going to send you texts when new videos are available for you to watch, okay? And don't worry about your personal information. They've got this disclaimer right here in the frequently asked questions section, which explicitly states that they will not be using any of your personal information for anything, okay? And if you don't believe me, just take it from Angela, Kimberly, Kyra, and Kevin over here, who all love this app. I bet her name is Kelly. I don't know why, she just looks like a Kelly to me. So listen, it really is that easy, it really is that simple. Just download this app, watch 30-second videos, and make $3 every time you do it. So make sure you subscribe to Online Moneymaker. You know what? We're coming to you from Montana late next week. We'll show you a little bit of that scenery too. Hey, thanks for watching. Like the video. This is Online Moneymaker.